So today I've got a quick little video for you. I decided I wanted to test the rounds that I generally carry. Now, of all of the ones that I carry, I picked 3 for this particular test. The 9mm, 357 SIG, and my 380. So went out to the range, set up my camera. I'll roll in the footage. The first one that I tested was the Norma MHP and 9mm, and that was fired out of the Taurus G3, the full-size 4-inch barrel. Norma says that these rounds were designed to function out of any length barrel. And I do also have the Diamondback that I carry these in. There'll be a test coming on that soon. But for now, here's the test of the Norma MHP out of the Taurus G3. The next one I chose was the 357 SIG, and out of that, this is my preferred carry round. This is a solid copper hollow point. It's a brand, it's a Legend Pro by GBW cartridge. I've seen pictures of them. I've seen some reviews of them. They also go by the name of Colt ammunition. I've seen a couple of those reviews. People weren't too happy with the 9mm. The 40 and 45 seem to do good. The 9mm, the pedals seem to break off of them when they're not supposed to. And considering that 357 SIG is a 9mm projectile, I was wondering if I was going to have the same problem. The firearm for that was the 6-Hour SP 2022 in 357 SIG. And lastly, the 380. I only have one brand of 380 hollow points at the moment because of all the panic buying been going on. It's really hard to get it. But I was able to find this Remington UMC 380 hollow points. I've seen mixed reviews of these, so I was curious as to how they would perform for me. And for that, I used my Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 380 EZ. So let's see how that went. So, out of all of those rounds, I'm really impressed with the 9mm, the 357 SIG. Their performance was exactly what I would have hoped for them. The 380, not exactly. I don't care for the separation of the jacket and the core, but it is what it is. It's what I've got. It's what I carry in it. I also have ball rounds for it, but eh. Um, I don't carry the 380 as a main carry pistol anyway. That's always a backup. It's usually, if I'm not in shorts, the only time I carry the 380 is in an ankle holster. So it is what it is. Not the biggest deal in the world, but I will be looking for some others as more ammo options become available, hopefully in the very near future. I do have some more of the 357 SIG that I'm going to be testing. I also have other brands of the 9mm I'm going to be testing, as well as the 45 ACP. So we'll see how they go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.